Hello everyone. Today, I am going to show you how to install the RTS Hypervisor with Linux Ubuntu, version 20.04. First, we check the version of our Ubuntu, which is our native general-purpose operating system. Now we can start installing the hypervisor. First, we go to the directory in which we save the RTS delivery package we received from RTS. In the delivery package, you will find the password for extracting the files, the RTH Hypervisor zip folder, and the extracted zip folder of RTH Hypervisor. Now, we enter the extracted RTH release folder. You can see that inside the extracted delivery package, we have shell script called installation_with_linux.sh. Now, in order to run the script and install our hypervisor, all we have to do is run this command in the command line, which is sudo bash installation_with_linux.sh. We press enter, and we will see our hypervisor is getting installed. After a successful installation of the hypervisor, we will have to reboot the system. And this can be done by just entering the command reboot. When the system boots again, we will end up in this grub bootloader menu, which gives us the ability to choose if we want to boot only with our general purpose operating system Ubuntu, or if we want to boot with the hypervisor. This means both the general system operating system and the real-time operating system will boot. When choosing one of the following options, I will choose Linux as GPOS and Linux 5.10 Debian as RTOS. Now, press enter. We can now see that the hypervisor with the two operating systems is booting. The real-time operating system will boot first, and then it will send a signal to the general purpose operating system for it to boot afterwards. Of course, the boot priority could be changed in the configuration file find under boot/rth folder. Now that the system has booted without any problems, we can open the terminal and write the command readtrace to get our hypervisor and hardware information. This is how you install the RTS hypervisor with Linux. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.